Unit 3. What are you like?
Jim, what are you like?
I am tall and thin. I am young. I am 28 years old. I am a very healthy man. My hair is black and my eyes are brown. What are you like, Lena?
I am not very tall, but I am pretty. I am 25 years old. I am a very healthy girl. My hair is blonde and my eyes are blue.
You are a very pretty girl, Lena.
Thank you, darling. I think you are a very handsome man. You are tall and strong.
Well, I am healthy.
What is your father like, Jim?
He is not a young man, but he is not old. He is 61 years old. He is tall and fat. He has gray hair and green eyes.
And your mother, what is she like?
She is a very nice lady. She is 57 years old. Tall, not very fat, gray hair, brown eyes. What is your sister like, Lena?
My sister is a very pretty girl. She is 28 years old, tall and thin. My brother is not ugly, but he is not a handsome man. He is short and fat.
How old is your nephew?
He is 10 years old.
How old is your niece?
She is 6 years old.
What are they like?
They are very nice children.
The colors. White,
Milk is white.
black,
The cat is black.
red,
My sweater is red.
blue,
The sky is blue.
yellow,
The cat is yellow.
green,
Your eyes are green.
brown,
Jim's eyes are brown.
orange,
The orange is orange.
grey,
My hair is grey.
violet,
Is your sweater violet?
purple.
Lena's sweater is purple.